We're here in the gazebo, guys. Honey ate already. Did you have fun, honey? Yeah. Ayan. Tatlo.
Iyan. Kuha na kayo. May paper plate dito pag ano.
Ang pwesto nyo dyan. I like your pwesto there.
Wala kayo, 3,000 bayadan nyo.
Ayun si CJ. CJ's eating there near the... Ayun, si Luisa. Daddy. Yung bo! Ayan, guys.